My name is Ken Hadfield. I'm the CEO and founder of Rapid Digital Press. We're a startup business that began last November as an idea, and because of using the RTI Vortex 4200 powered by Memjet, we're able to enter into the market as a service bureau. So we're really a printer for printers. We pretty much cover the gamut from graphics to architectural and everything in between. We work with companies that are doing demographic mapping and detailing to companies like real estate mapping with Landescore.
My name is Matt Schaefer. I'm the general manager at Landescore Real Estate Mapping. We create large format aerial wall maps in addition to some digital imagery files and other aerial products.
The unique thing about using the RTI Vortex powered by Memjet is that we're able to complete a job that normally might have taken several hours. That's from pre-press to a finished product in 10 to 15 minutes.
We've been able to turn orders around in 24 hours or less that would have taken us several weeks in the past to do.
Really, the customers, when they see the end result, they're actually wowed by what they see.
We started using Rapid Digital and the RTI Vortex 4200 when they came to us and were able to show us the quality that they could produce.
The vividness of the color, the detail of what it's able to print is what landed a company like Landescore in our lap.
We were skeptical when Rapid Digital came to us, but the samples they provided were every bit as good as what we were doing with the offset press.
He didn't actually believe me at first that I printed it on a digital press. I invited him the next day to come to Rapid and actually see one of his prints coming off the press. The Vortex 4200 spit out a 40-inch print in a matter of a couple seconds, and he was just absolutely amazed. And he said, okay, I'm sold, you got my business.
The most compelling reason we started using Rapid Digital was just the ability to print on demand and print one map at a time. In years past, we've had extensive setup fees with the offset, and with Rapid Digital, we could avoid those fees, save money, and print just what we needed.
We can do one print, we can do 10 prints, we could do 50 or 100 prints, and you could have them all the same day.
Some of our customers only want 5 maps or 10 maps, and they're happy that they don't have the excess inventory where they have to order 500 posters when they only needed 10.
Rapid Digital Press would not be in existence if it wasn't for a Vortex 4200 press. The fineness of the droplets and the method in which it's imparted onto the paper using the Memjet technology, and literally a waterfall distribution, allows much less ink to be used to get the vivid color and the saturation that other presses have to use 2 to 3 times the amount of ink to get it down. And it allows us in a single day to do 7 to 10 times the amount of work that you would with another press. That gives us the edge to be able to go in and compete heads up with companies that are 10, 15 times our size.
Just our printing cost alone versus offset or even inkjet or other printing methods we've used is at least 30% lower.
The Vortex 4200 was the core of the entire business model. We were profitable in the very first month of our business, and that's selling at wholesale, not retail.
Since we started using Rapid Digital and the Vortex 4200, we've had great feedback from our customers. They've been impressed with the quality. They've said it's exactly the same or better than what we've seen from the offset.
I would recommend the Memjet waterfall technology to any printing company that wants to make the transition from more traditional printing into digital printing, or that wants to evolve with current digital presses into an advanced and revolutionary press that will make them more productive and be able to create faster and finer graphics than they've ever seen before.